How's it, guys? I'm back, and we are busy with the bucket. Looks at back there now that we take all the stores jamming a bit, all the rubble and stuff. Not rubble, the um, junk and stuff out. Even the inside looks better. I'm just sorry for Gypsy, sorry. Um, I'm just busy. Yeah, putting cleaning a bit. Yeah, the bunk itself looks still in fair condition, good condition. I'm just wiping it to clean it to put the tailgate back. This is all the nonsense that came from it, but I'm really truly blessed with it. I'm not going to complain, and then I will assemble the parts and put the stuff back, and then yeah, that is about it. And please, any support from your side. I need a gearbox. I need a motor. Please, thank you very much.